Thank you for buying this series of products from Fixture Displays. This is a solar panel part number 18339, charging controller 18340, connecting cable 15020, and MC4 cable 15019, and 12 volts to 110 volts inverter 15018, and battery 15017. These products can be used together or in certain combination. We're going to try to show you how you would take from the solar panel, which comes with a MC4 cable, not very long. That's where you possibly want to extend it or connect it to other devices. You would then need to buy our cable being introduced here. So this is how you would extend it and then connect it to, for example, a charging controller. Our part number for the controller again is 18340. The controller has solar panel in, positive and negative, also battery, as well as a light device, for example, a light bulb or any ways to use the power. We're going to switch to a different controller for better color contrast. So identify the positive and negative and connect to the solar panel in positions, and then fasten the screw. Make sure it is snug. Now we'll come to the cable 15020. This simply goes to the battery. You can use other wires as well, but this is a recommended one that works for this configuration well. Now this particular cable, certainly it doesn't matter what direction it is, but if you prefer, you could use your own that has color coding. This will go to your battery. Now make sure that the cable doesn't matter. The positive does need to go to positive and negative needs to go to negative on the battery. Now we have the battery. We are going to try to demonstrate how to take the 12 volts battery and the inverter into 110 volts so that you can use your regular electronic devices. For example, a laptop or even a more powerful device, light fixture, and so on and so forth. This particular inverter is rated for 500 watts, meaning anything that's less than 500 watts you could power with this inverter. Certainly assume your battery is powerful enough as well. These are the in and out. Make sure positive and negative are matching to your battery. The inverter comes with the crocodile leads that can bite into the battery terminals. This particular piece of equipment looks like an extension cord, but really it is more than that. It's a temperature controller. We're going to try to demonstrate by plugging this into the 110. It runs on 110, just to demonstrate that the 110 is being produced by that 12 volt battery. And flip the on button and you will see the temperature controller start to function. And certainly that battery, that temperature controller has another cable down the bottom that's supposed to test the water temperature. We're not going to further demonstrate. We want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays. You can find from fixturedisplays.com all these products by searching the product numbers given. If you like our products, please leave a good review. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com.